This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Quantum WS31 is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 8, oven, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, TV, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Quantum WS31 is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton V8 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.